Okay, here's video number 3 for the CR standard. That stands for creating and reasoning equations. Remember, just like I've said on every other video, this list of topics and concepts and problems you're seeing on this series of videos is not all-inclusive. You as a student is still responsible for studying everything we've gone over the entire year. Okay, so the next thing is solving a log equation. Now this one is kind of tricky. I remember this from the topic 5 log unit test. You have to use the power property first and bring the 2 inside. Does everybody remember the power property? You can say that right there. The constant outside can be expressed as an exponent in the argument. And we're going to set that equal to this other thing. Now the concept, what we're talking about here, everybody, what's the base right there? And what's the base right there? That's right, they're both base 10. If you're taking a logarithm on the same base, then what can I say about the arguments? That they are equal, that's right. So we can say x squared equals 5x minus 6. Okay? So we use power property, then we use the fact that the bases are equal, so the arguments have to be equal. And now, after we rearrange, we get this nice, simple quadratic to solve. Okay, magic x factoring. I think this is minus 3 minus 2. Does everybody see that? Magic x. So we'll say x minus 3 and x minus 2 equals 0. Zero product property says x equals 3 and 2. Okay, that's how you solve that one. The other one is kind of the other way to solve log equations. You have to remember the structure of a logarithm. You can rewrite it every time as an exponential. Using swirly, I can say 3 to the 4th power equals this stuff. This was a repeat of the question you guys just saw in the last unit test, topic 6 test. So you can rewrite it as an exponential just like that. Okay, somebody tell me, what's 3 to the 4th power? Somebody say 81. 81, very good job. So it's 81 equals 5x plus 6. Then what do? Subtract the 6, that means 75. And what's the last step? Divide by 5, so x equals 15. So whatever the case, when you're given a log equation like this, if it doesn't have base 10, remember to convert it. As a matter of fact, that's always a good technique for any time you have log or exponential equations. A good technique to try to solve is to convert to one of the other forms. I think that's important enough to like star and asterisk. Okay? That's the end for that video.